Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our Headlight side tint on this 2025 Subaru Forester. We're going to be starting with the light smoke and then moving to the dark smoke. If you're interested in these products, I have them linked in the video description below. These are dry application films, so you're going to be applying completely dry. Tools you need for today are a squeegee and a heat gun. And if you are interested in something other than these two colors, we do have a variety of other films available on our website. So first you want to start by cleaning the surrounding area around the headlamp. Right prior to installation, you could go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That's going to get all the contaminants off prior to installation. And we're ready to go now, and we'll be starting with the light smoke, and then I'll show you what that looks like, and then do the dark smoke and show you what that looks like. So how we're aligning this, it's basically going to follow this second line of the silver portion. So not directly on top of the amber, but that second line, which is on this side and above. You basically just want to get that aligned on there, and then it's also going to follow the contour of the bottom of the lamp here. For this step, you can use a squeegee or you can use your fingertip, really doesn't matter. And then the next step, you would want to go over this with a heat gun and just apply consistent pressure over the film. That helps it lock down onto the surface. And also, if you have any bubbles, they'll be exposed at that point, and then you could go ahead and get rid of them. All right, so now that we have that done, we could do the dark smoke. Same thing on this. With the alignment. And then, like I said, you want to go over this with a heat source once you're fully done there. But that's pretty simple. If you're interested, like I said, the video description below has a link to this product as well as all of the products we offer for this vehicle, so make sure to check those out as well. If you have any questions, you can reach out on our website. Our email and phone number are listed there.